So while I'm saddling Saber up to ride him, I want to talk about something. We usually do a Wash Rack Wednesday talk. And today I want to talk about putting your mind to something and doing it and being okay with failing at it. Everything that we do with horses, we're taking a risk. And it's not always a physical risk. A lot of times it's a risk of failing. And the more willing you are to take that risk, the more you're going to learn, because it's when we try and we fail that we learn. That's really what makes us become better. We don't become better when we try and we succeed. I mean, we might become some better. There is something to be learned from succeeding. You need to learn how to win. But you learn a whole lot more by trying and failing. I know a lot of people that I talk to, the fear of making a wrong decision or trying something and failing at it is really stopping them from becoming a better horse person, and sometimes holding them back in life in general. And I know, like when I do the live Thursday trainings, I'm taking a pretty big risk. That's live. I can't cover anything up. It is what it is. You see it when it happens. And I'm taking that risk. But if something goes wrong, we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about what went wrong. We're going to talk about what could be done so that it's better, what I learned from the situation, what you should take away from the situation, and we'll all become better. And so many people are so afraid of failing that they never get better. And I want to challenge you to try to do something, pick something that the fear of failing has been holding you back. And don't go do something and get hurt, but try something, whether it's taking your horse to a show, taking your horse to a trail ride, doing something with your horse, doing some groundwork. Maybe you don't know how to do or not confident at doing a certain thing with the horse. Try it. If it works, great. If it don't work, learn about why it didn't work and grow. Become a better horse person, become a better person. Learn from your failures. Don't let the fear of failing stop you from becoming better. Until next time, thank you for watching.